Uh-oh. All right, welcome back. Okay, we'll continue from where we stopped the last time. So we're looking at the principles of graphic design. Remember, in our last lesson, we talked about the elements of design that help you to that you put together to make a design, just like cooking analogy that I used in the last lesson. So now, what comes to mind when you hear the word principle are actually rules and regulation. Rules for better design. Principles guide designers to make better design. This is because you know slide isn't moving to the next. Oh, I don't know why. Okay. The principles of design are fundamental concepts and guidelines that help artists, designers, and creators in various fields achieve visually pleasing and effective composition. Okay, principles just help you to make a better composition. A composition is actually how your elements are arranged in a design. Okay, that's a composition. Anything you put into the canva if you're designing is the composition. So when you're adding images, you're adding text, you're adding different elements of design. It is it is the principles of design that help the designer to think why adding those things. If you're adding image, the principles that guide image selection and all of that will be able to walk you through why you are selecting that image. Why are you using that font? Why is that font bigger than the rest? Why are you placing it in this side of the design? Why don't you use this color? Why are you using this color? So the principles of design just help you to make better design. And not just you as a designer, but as also as an artist and also as a creator. Many of you may end up doing content creation or being an artist in the end. So the principle of design is not just for designers alone. Photographers also use it, but it's kind of in a different way. So we'll talk about more about the these things in the what do you call it um, visual guideline. But talking about the principle of design, this they just help you to make better arrangement in your composition. So these principles serve as a framework for organizing and arranging element in your design. I know you are excited. I know you want to know those things that will guide you to make a better design. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step. So with this, you'll be able to design like a boss. You'll be able to look at design in the face and say, "Come on, come let me smash you," just like this guy is fully standing up and ready for the show to begin. So those are the things that will make you really design like a boss. So these principles are actually balance, contrast, emphasis, unity, repetition, proportion, and scale. Then we have alignment, hierarchy, movement, pattern, and space. Okay, we have other principles of design. These are not just the only principles of design. You may Google online and you see that there are more, way more than this. But I've chosen these 11, of which there's supposed to be one, which is called simplicity. But I didn't add it to the list. But somewhere in the course, we'll look at simplicity. So we'll be diving into looking at these 11 principles of design one after the other. So I'll stop the video here, and in the next lesson we'll start diving into balance and looking at all the principles one after the other. So thank you so much, and then I'll see you in the next video.